Hello, everyone. Welcome back again to a continuation of the preparation of the alcohols from Grignard reagent. In my first post, if you have not watched my first post, please do all to watch my previous video on preparation of primary alcohol from Grignard reagent, where we make use of methanol or formaldehyde. But in this video, we're going to be making use of other members of the alkanal to prepare secondary alcohol from Grignard reagent. Let us not waste time. Let us go straight to the preparation. So if I'm having CH3, CH2, I'm having magnesium, let me just change it like this. For example, I'm having ethyl magnesium iodide plus. Remember, we said that in the preparation of a secondary alcohol, we can use other members of the alkanal or aldehyde, excluding or other than the formaldehyde. So I can make use of CH3, CHO. This is ethanol. So let us do it together. So I'm having CH3 now. I'm having CH2. I'm having Mg. I'm having iodide plus CH3. I'm having, of course, the major function of organometallic halide is to transfer its alkyl group. Simple. So when this alkyl group is transferred there, what will happen? I'll be having CH3. Remember, there'll be a creating of a carbonium ion here, a carbon that has a positive charge. So yes, so here come here having so yeah, I'm having CH2, CH3, having Mg plus, okay, let's say MgCl. Remember, here is plus. So what do we do here? Under hydrolysis here, I'll be having CH3, CH2, CH3, I'm having OH, I'm having H plus. Okay, remember, here is iodide. So here is OH. So that is just all. So this is now a secondary alcohol. A secondary alcohol, right? A secondary alcohol always have two alkyl group attached to the carbon carrying the OH. A primary alcohol always have one alkyl group directly attached to the carbon carrying the OH. Or you can say a primary alcohol has two hydrogen left in the carbon carrying the OH. Let me give an illustration. This is a primary alcohol. If I remove, meaning leaving you with just one alkyl group and two hydrogen. For a secondary alcohol, you have two alkyl group attached to the carbon carrying the OH, leaving you with one hydrogen. For a tertiary alcohol, it has three alkyl group attached to the carbon carrying the OH, leaving you with no hydrogen. Now, quickly, do well to help me to answer this and tell me your reaction in your tell me your reaction in your comment section below. This is propyl magnesium iodide with 1, 2, 3, 4. This is butanol, right? So I'll be waiting for your answer in the comment section below. And in case you want to contact me personally, this is my WhatsApp line you can use to contact me. Do well to watch out for my next post on how I can prepare a tertiary alcohol from Grignard reagent using ketone as one of the major reagents for that. Thank you and God bless you.